This is Harini from final year student of Mechatronics Engineering at Agri College of Technology. We group of 3 members done our final year project on the title of 6-axis robot using color recognition systems. This is Prasath and this is Kirthick Lochan. We are going to explain our project in detail.
Yeah, this is a project which helps in industrial automation sector where we are working last 7 months over this project. So this aim of this project is to make the automation process in the industry simpler and easier. Current scenario, they are using barcodes and QR codes for scanning the objects, which involves to perform an high process to generate the QR codes and barcodes. This color sensors helps to perform an segregation using color badges which can be pasted on the object, which helps to easily generate based on the various colors. This can be sorted out. So this helps to increase the movements in the warehouses and industries to perform fast movements over there.
Now I am going to explain about the components of the system. In this project we use 6 servo motors to control a 6-axis robot arm. The Arduino UNO is used to control the entire process of the system. The color sensor TCS 3200 is used to sense the color of the object. The IR sensor is used to stop the conveyor. In this project we use belt conveyors to move the object in a respective places.
So I am here to explain about the programming sector of this project, where this involves to perform the color segregation process, as shown if you know. So this color sensor senses the object based on the 3 color variants RGB. So this involves and senses the 3 color code variants. So it senses the colors based on RGB. So this RGB is being generated as a numbering values to the code. So this helps to identify the various number combinations which helps to identify the objects. So based on the numbering variations, the code has been provided to the robotic arm. So the arm moves based on the generated code. So the conveyor is basically controlled with the help of the IR, which the IR senses the object, the conveyor signals is being generated, and the arm is been the conveyor stops.
Mechatronics Engineering, Dr. Arivazhagan sir, and our project coordinator, Mr. Arivazhagan sir.